Signora Marcegaglia, the headline of this business day from Business Europe is Invest in Europe. Why are you still asking for investment in Europe? What are the problems?
Well, because as you know, if you look at what happened in these years, we have a drop of 11% in 8 years on private investments. On overall investment, we are at the low level of the last 20 years. We attract less investment in Europe. In 2000, we attract 40% of the overall investments in the world. Now we are 20. So there is a problem of investment here, and we know that investment needs jobs and needs growth. So there is a real need to do this. The investment fund of the Juncker plan is a good thing, but now we need also to change the investment climate overall, because otherwise it will be difficult to go back to investment. So we need to approach all the different problems. There is an issue of cost of energy in Europe, which is much higher than in the United States. There is still a problem of red tape. There is a problem where we are not investing in digital. We are the only developed areas in the world that have a less investment in digital compared to 2008. We have also to open our trade agenda. So there are a lot of concrete things that we have to implement. The Commission is doing the right things, is going in the right direction, but now it's time to act and to implement what they are saying. So we are here to say we have a real opportunity to enhance growth and to go back to investment, but we need to do concrete things, and this is time to act. So we cannot stay firm, but we have to go on and make all the decisions that are needed.
You will have very important speakers here on the scene. So what will you ask for concretely?
We will ask exactly what I said. So first, that there is an opportunity with the ACB, with the cost of oil, with the euro devalued. So there is a window of opportunity. We have to really work in this moment. So we will ask, for example, on the energy union to really pay attention to the cost of energy. So energy union is a very good thing, but we have to deal with the problem of cost on energy. So less tax, more internal deployment of sources in Europe, and so on. We will make some concrete examples of how to reduce the red tape in Europe, which is still a problem, and to reduce the cost of doing business in Europe. We will make some also proposal on the digital agenda, which is very important. We will also make some concrete example on how to deal with the TTIP. We think that 2015 has to be the year where we really make good progress on the trade agenda with the United States. So we will have a very concrete proposal that we will do to Mr. Juncker and to all the other commissioners, because as I said, this is the time to act.
There are several commissioners here and Mr. Juncker as well. So what will you ask for after now almost half a year with a new commission working? Where are the deficits? Where are the good tracks?
Well, for some, we will say that we think that the direction is a good direction. We see a good discontinuity compared with the past. We agree on the fact that we need the three things that Mr. Juncker said: so structural reforms, so sustainability of the accounts in the different countries, and investments. So we think the direction is the right one, but now we need to implement concrete things, and we will discuss all day about these concrete things.